Hello, and welcome to today's webinar, AI and PNT, Driving Innovation, Safety, and Compliance in Autonomous Systems, brought to you by GPS World Magazine and our sponsor of the event, Safran Electronics Defense. I'm Hallie from North Coast Media, the Content Marketing Manager for GPS World Magazine, and I will be your event manager for today's presentation. At this time, I'd like to get you comfortable with our council and the ways you can participate during today's presentation. Please notice the Q&A panel on the left-hand side of your console. If you have a question, type it in the panel's text box, then click Submit to place your question in queue. We encourage you to ask and enter any questions you may have for our speakers during the presentation. If you experience any technical difficulties during today's event, you may use the same Q&A panel on your screen to submit your issue, and technical support specialist Brian or I will personally assist you. Finally, you may learn more about today's speakers by viewing their photo, bio, and contact info in the panel located in the upper left-hand corner of your console. Now I'd like to introduce today's speakers. Today we will be hearing from Dr. Mohamed Tamazin, GNSS Engineering Manager, Safran Company Expert in Safran Electronics and Defense, as well as Ben Spoda, Marketing and Communications Director, aiMotive. At this time, I'll turn the presentation over to Mohamed. Take it away, Mohamed.
Hello, everyone, and thank you for the introduction. I'm excited to share insights with you today on how artificial intelligence is making positioning, navigation, and timing more advanced, resilient, and intelligent than ever before. In today's sessions, we will explore the powerful synergy between AI and PNT systems, which are critical for enabling autonomous technologies like self-driving cars, UAV, and advanced maritime systems. Over the next few minutes, we will examine the challenges, innovations, and transformative impact of these technologies in building a smarter and safer futures. So let's get started. For today's presentation is designed to take you through a logical flow of concepts and advancements. We will start by exploring the transformative role of AI in enhancing PNT systems for autonomous systems. Next, we will overview the real-world challenges PNT systems face, including environmental factors and cybersecurity threats. Following that, we will examine how leveraging multi-GNSS constellations can boost resilience and accuracy. From there, we will dig into AI-driven innovations, such as route optimization, traffic prediction, and sensor fusion that can help to enhance nowadays positioning and navigation. We will also discuss the importance role of GNSS simulators in replicating real-world conditions for effective training, testing, and validation. Finally, I will conclude my presentation by highlighting Safran contributions and vision for the futures of PNT technologies. Let's start with the basics. PNT, which stands for Positioning, Navigation, and Timing, is the backbone of any autonomous systems. For these systems to function reliably, they depend on where key components like positioning to determine an objective exact location, navigation, plans and maintain a route from point A to point B, while timing to ensure precise synchronization, which is important for coordinating fleets and data exchanges between them. While these functions are critical, traditional PNT systems face several challenges. Signal disruptions from natural obstacles, cybersecurity threats, and environmental conditions can all compromise their accuracy and reliability. So, how do we address this limitation? This is where AI becomes a game changer. By leveraging predictive modeling, real-time decision-making, and sensor fusion, AI enhances PNT capabilities, makes them more robust and intelligent than before. For example, AI can analyze GNSS data, anticipate positioning error, such as those caused by multipass reflections, and apply real-time corrections, significantly improve accuracy even in a challenging condition. But AI roles does not stop there. Beyond just improving accuracy, it also strengthens resilience. By integrating multiple sensors, AI enables autonomous systems to navigate consistently, even when GNSS signals are weak or disrupted. This flexibility is key to ensure continuous operation, especially in a complex environment. With this foundation in place, let's now explore the real-world challenges that PNT systems must overcome in the next slide. While PNT systems are essential for autonomous operations, they also face significant challenges. One of these challenges is the urban canyon environment, where tall buildings obstruct or reflect GNSS signals, leading to multipass errors. And these distortions can severely impact positioning accuracy, persisting risk for safety-critical applications, such as autonomous driving and UAV navigation. But environmental factors are not the only concern. Cybersecurity threats, such as spoofing and jamming, present serious risk to GNSS reliability. Malicious interference can degrade signals, potentially compromising navigation integrity. To overcome these challenges, we need more resilient and adaptive solutions that ensure safe and reliable autonomous operations. So now let's explore how leveraging the current multiple GNSS constellation can enhance the resilience of PNT systems. One of the most effective ways to enhance the PNT resilience nowadays is by leveraging multi-GNSS constellations, such as GPS, Galileo, GLONASS, and BeiDou. Each system has its own strengths. So GPS provides global coverage. Galileo offers high precision and secure signals, while GLONASS can be better at high latitudes, and BeiDou provides robust performance in the Asia-Pacific region. To further improve accuracy, we can also integrate advanced augmentation systems like SPAS, RTK, and PPP. SPAS, which stands to Satellite-Based Augmentation System, can enhance and improve the GNSS precision to within 1 meter, while RTK, real-time kinematics, provide centimeter-level accuracy essential for autonomous driving and precision agriculture, while PPP, precise point position, delivers DC meter-level accuracy globally without relying on local infrastructure, making it a robust choice for remote and maritime application where resilience is critical. While GNSS and augmentation system strengthens navigation, AI introduces its own set of innovations. In the next slide, let's explore how AI is transforming navigation and enhancing reliability. AI is transforming navigation through a series of cutting-edge innovations. One of the most impactful is route optimization. AI can be used to analyze real-time traffic data, historical trends, and environmental conditions to recommend the most efficient and safest routes. Another key advancement is sensor fusion, where AI can integrate data from GNSS, LiDAR, radar, and cameras to enhance positioning accuracy. This is especially valuable in GNSS-degraded environments, such as urban canyons or tunnels where traditional signals are unreliable. Additionally, AI powered by machine learning can continuously correct GNSS error and provide real-time integrity monitoring, significantly improving the resilience of navigation systems. Building on these innovations, let's now explore a few examples of how AI optimizes routes, predict traffic patterns, and enhance positioning and navigation. Optimizing routes and traffic with AI. Utilizing AI algorithms nowadays, self-driving cars can dynamically adjust routes to avoid congestions, ensuring smoother mobility. On the other hand, UAVs as well can also modify their flight paths in real time, factoring in weather conditions and air traffic, while maritime systems optimize shipping routes to minimize fuel consumptions and enhance safety. A great real-world example between our hands is Google Maps and Waze, which use AI-driven traffic prediction to provide real-time rerouting suggestions. This is achieved by analyzing millions of data points from GPS-enabled devices, traffic sensors, and historical trends. These platforms anticipate congestions and suggest the fastest alternative routes, helping users save time and fuel. But AI impact extends beyond route optimization. It also enhances positioning and navigation through sensor fusions. So let's explore that in the next slide. AI also play an important role in enhancing the positioning and navigation accuracy through sensor fusions, which integrates multiple data sources such as GNSS, LiDAR, aiMotive, and cameras. AI play a critical role in vision-aided navigation by enabling an automatic detection of features in images. Through advanced machine learning and computer vision techniques, AI extracts and analyzes key visual elements, enhancing the context awareness for autonomous systems. This capability significantly improves the obstacle detections and environmental perceptions, allowing for more informed decision-making. By integrating vision-based insight with other sensor data, AI ensures robust navigation performance, even in complex or degraded navigation environments, such as in dense urban areas or tunnels. So now let's have a real-world example of this is Tesla full self-driving systems. In urban areas where GNSS signals can be blocked or reflected by tall buildings, Tesla AI-powered vision system can process real-time cameras to maintain the accurate lane positioning and object detections. The systems relies on sensor fusions, integrating data from cameras, aiMotive, and wheel encoders to ensure precise navigation even when the GNSS are unreliable. Similarly, in tunnels where GNSS is completely unavailable, Tesla system estimate the vehicle movement using aiMotive data and wheel encoders, allows it to maintain accurate positioning without external localization. Now that we have explored how AI enhances positioning through sensor fusions, let's shift our focus to testing and validation using GNSS simulators. Before deploying AI PNT-based systems, thorough testing and validation are necessary to ensure optimal performance and reliability. One effective solution is using GNSS simulation, which creates controlled environment that replicate real-world challenges like urban canyon and signal interference and multipass effects. By simulating these conditions, you can evaluate your system resilience, minimize deployment risk, and reduce costs before real-world implementation. Beyond risk reductions, GNSS simulation accelerates development cycles, enables teams to refine and optimize solutions more efficiently. This leads to faster innovation and higher quality outcomes. But testing is not just critical for PNT systems. It's also play a key role in AI model training. By integrating GNSS simulation into AI development, you can enhance your model accuracy, improve adaptability to real-world conditions, and ensure more robust decision-making. Let's now explore how simulation enhances AI training and performance. AI training through GNSS simulations. AI models rely on high-quality, diverse data sets to enhance their decision and making capabilities. GNSS simulations play a fundamental role in this process by generating edge case scenarios, such as navigating in GNSS-degraded environments or under extreme weather conditions. These simulated datasets improve the robustness and adaptability of your AI models, ensuring they can handle unpredictable real-world challenges more effectively. By integrating GNSS simulation into AI training, you can efficiently test autonomous systems, refining their ability to operate with precision and reliability in complex environments. This proactive approach enhances safety, efficiency, and overall system performance. But ensuring system resilience requires more than just training. So comprehensive resilience testing is key. So let's discuss in the next slide, the resilience testing. Resilience testing is essential to ensuring that the autonomous system can survive during real-world disruptions, including GNSS interference like jamming and spoofing, also external environmental conditions. By simulating stress scenarios such as spoofing attacks, severe weather conditions, and electromagnetic interference, you can proactively identify vulnerabilities and enhance system robustness. These controlled tests provide critical insight that help refine PNT algorithms, strengthen cybersecurity defenses, and ensure continuous operation in challenging environments. Now let's explore how Safran is driving advancement in PNT technologies. Safran is leading the advancement of PNT technologies through AI-driving innovations. Our cutting-edge solutions, such as Skydial GNSS simulators, provide high-fidelity GNSS validation and testing tools, automating and enhancing complex validation process to ensure precise and reliable performance. Through AI-enhanced PNT solutions, we advance accuracy, adaptability, and system resilience, enabling autonomous operation to remain robust even in the most challenging environments. Additionally, our strong focus on GNSS cybersecurity helped protect against rising threats such as jamming and spoofing, ensuring uninterrupted and secure navigation. By continuously investing in our Safran research and development, we drive the future of autonomous systems across land, air, sea, and space, delivering PNT solutions that prioritize safety, reliability, and resilience. But innovation does not stop at system development. To push the boundaries of accuracy and realism in PNT testing, we have recently developed AI-powered models for our Safran GNSS simulators, inspiring simulation to the next level. To further enhance the accuracy of our GNSS simulations, Safran has recently developed AI-powered models for our simulators. These models will bring greater realism to simulation environments while introducing innovative features for automation, testing, and verifications. One key advancement is the Skydial tropospheric model powered by AI, which improves the simulation of atmospheric effects on GNSS signals. By leveraging real-time weather data, it enhances the tropospheric modeling accuracy, allowing users to test positioning error algorithms affected by more realistic atmospheric effects. This makes it an efficient tool for application in aviation, space, and defense. Additionally, SkyDir automation powered by AI transforms GNSS simulation workflow by automating complex testing scenarios. With AI driving capabilities, user can streamline validation process and make real-time adjustment using natural language commands. This innovation enables the simulation of a challenging scenario, including jamming, spoofing, and GNSS interference, make it a powerful tool for testing and validation for autonomous navigation systems. By integrating AI into our GNSS simulation, we not only accelerate automating testing and enhance accuracy, but also deliver robust, high-fidelity simulation solution with advanced automation and intelligence feature, ensuring next-generation reliability for autonomous systems. As we have explored today, AI and PNT are changing autonomous systems, tackling critical challenges and driving innovations. From route optimization and sensor fusion to multi-GNSS strategy and advanced GNSS simulation, these technologies are shaping a safer, more efficient, and more resilient future for autonomy. At Safran, we are committed to advancing safer, more efficient, and resilient autonomy. By leveraging AI-powered models and simulators, we ensure the next generation of autonomous systems is equipped with the most precise, reliable, and secure solutions for seamless operation in all environments. Thank you for your attention. I look forward for your questions and discussion. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining today's webinar. It's great to be here today with Safran. I'm Ben Saboda. I'm the marketing director of aiMotive. And we've just heard a fascinating discussion from Mohamed about how AI-powered PNT systems are transforming autonomous operations. And while precise positioning and navigation are critical enablers of autonomous driving, ensuring safety and regulatory compliance remains an ongoing challenge for the industry. That's where high-fidelity simulation comes in. And I'm here today to talk about how simulation is becoming an essential tool for ADAS and AD validation, helping automakers and also suppliers navigate increasingly strict global regulations while reducing costs and increasing test coverage. And I also want to walk you through why simulation is the key to addressing these challenges and how aiSim, our very own ISO 26262 certified simulator, is helping shape the future of ADAS validation. So let's dive in. We're currently witnessing a major shift in the industry. For years, ADAS features like automatic emergency braking and emergency lane keeping systems were optional. Furthermore, they were seen as premium add-ons rather than standard safety requirements, and that is changing now. Global regulators like NHTSA and UNECE are now making these features mandatory with strict testing and compliance requirements. So automakers must integrate and validate these systems to remain competitive and also legally compliant. So this shift is happening alongside advancements in PNT technology, as precision navigation becomes an essential component of these ADAS systems. However, validation is becoming increasingly complex, particularly across different regulatory environments in Europe, the US, Japan, and of course, China. So manufacturers must test ADAS and automated driving features across a wide range of driving conditions and need scalable solutions to ensure that their vehicles meet these evolving standards. If we move further, traditional road testing alone isn't enough to keep up with these changes. As Mohamed highlighted before me, AI-powered PNT solutions must be tested to ensure accuracy and resilience, and the same applies to ADAS and automated driving systems, but traditional road testing isn't enough to keep up with these evolving regulations. Simulation, however, provides a controlled, repeatable, and scalable way to validate ADAS and AD functions, reducing reliance on costly real-world testing. And in fact, standardization organizations like ISO and SAE are now including simulation-based validation in their safety guidelines. Just to give you a more concrete example, we at aiMotive, we developed aiSim, the world's first ISO 26262 certified automotive simulator. And at first, it was only used in-house to develop our own full-stack software for ADAS and AD, but now it is a standalone product that is designed to meet these growing regulatory demands. And with aiSim, automakers can simulate real-world driving environments with physics-based sensor models, including LiDAR, radar, and cameras. The simulator can also test ADAS and autonomous features across various road conditions and weather scenarios. And it can also help in validating systems in edge cases that are very difficult or unsafe to replicate in real-world driving. So why is simulation so critical for safety validation? There are a number of reasons. One of them is what I just mentioned, the testing rare but critical scenarios. Just as PNT systems must handle signal interference and spoofing, ADAS functions need to account for unpredictable edge cases like sudden pedestrian crossings or even extreme weather conditions. Simulation allows us to stress test these scenarios safely. There is also the test case coverage expansion. Basically, millions of miles of virtual testing can be conducted in a fraction of the time and cost, helping manufacturers validate their technology under diverse, highly specific conditions. Cost and time efficiency is a no-brainer. As I said, AI-driven simulation reduces the need for physical prototypes and on-road testing and accelerates validation while cutting costs. So that's a win-win in my book. And then there is also regulatory compliance and transparency. Just as multi-GNSS resilience and AI-powered navigation are shaping the future of PNT regulation, simulation is increasingly recognized as a key component of ADAS certification. And with transparent, repeatable test results, manufacturers can meet evolving safety standards with confidence. And at aiMotive, we work very closely with regulatory bodies and industry partners to integrate simulation into global AD compliance frameworks, ensuring that both ADAS technology and AI-powered solutions meet the highest safety standards. So what's next for simulation-based validation? We're moving toward a simulation-first approach in testing regulation, meaning that ADAS simulation will play an increasingly significant role in homologation and legally enforceable testing requirements. However, to fully integrate virtual testing into regulatory frameworks, collaboration will be key. Just as PNT technology must align with evolving certification standards, simulation-based validation also needs regulatory recognition and widespread industry adoption. So this is why partnerships between automakers, tech providers like Safran and simulation leaders like aiMotive are essential. By aligning positioning, navigation, and ADAS validation efforts, we can ensure safe, efficient, and also regulation-compliant automated driving systems. At aiMotive, we are committed to driving this change by providing high-fidelity simulation tools that support global compliance and safety validation efforts. To wrap up, ADAS features are no longer optional, and meeting regulatory compliance is more challenging than ever. Simulation is the most effective way to ensure safety and efficiency in this new landscape. And of course, I wouldn't be a marketing person if I wouldn't say this next part. So if you're interested in learning more about how aiSim can support your validation and verification efforts, please feel free to reach out. We'd love to explore potential collaborations with partners who share our commitment to safe, reliable, and regulation-ready autonomous technology. But for now, thank you for your time.
Thank you for attending AI and PNT, Driving Innovation, Safety, and Compliance in Autonomous Systems, brought to you by GPS World Magazine and our sponsor of the event, Safran Electronics Defense. A recording of this webinar and other upcoming webinars from GPS World will be posted to gpsworld.com/webinars. Thank you all for attending, and we hope you'll join us again soon for another great webinar.